Want to make restaurant-quality dumplings at home? Today we're breaking down the best dough, fillings, and cooking methods so you can master dumplings like a pro. Stick around for expert tips. Making the perfect dumpling dough flour choice. Bread flour for chewy texture, all-purpose for softness. Hot water versus cold water. Dough, hot water for tender steamed dumplings. Cold water for firmer, boiled ones. Resting the dough, allowing gluten to relax for better elasticity. Choosing the best dumpling filling. Classic pork and cabbage. A balance of umami, sweetness, and crunch. Shrimp and shiitake mushroom, rich and savory with deep flavors. Vegetarian, tofu, chive, and mushroom. Light, fragrant, and packed with umami. Secret ingredient: ginger and sesame oil. Adds depth and aroma to any filling. Folding and sealing techniques. Simple half-moon seal. Perfect for beginners. Pleated crescent shape. Adds a professional touch. Soup dumpling. Folding. Requires a precise pleating technique for perfect broth-filled bites. Cooking methods for perfect dumplings. Steamed, soft and juicy. Using a bamboo steamer for a traditional fluffy texture. Boiled, silky and tender. Cooking in simmering water to avoid bursting. Pan-fried. Crispy bottoms, soft tops. The famous pot sticker technique with a golden crust. Dipping sauces and garnishes. Classic soy vinegar dip. Balanced with scallions and sesame oil. Spicy Sichuan chili oil. For those who love heat, sweet soy glaze. A touch of honey for a delicious twist. Fresh garnishes. Cilantro, scallions, and toasted sesame seeds for an extra pop of flavor. Now you know how to make perfect homemade dumplings. What's your favorite dumpling filling? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more expert cooking tips. Want to master more Asian recipes? Check out our Speedy Chef playlist for expert techniques and kitchen hacks.